Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ritu, and if you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video. So today's video is gonna be a haul video. So I did a little shopping, my summer shopping. I bought clothes from a bunch of different brands: Zara, H&M and Urbanic. So without any further ado, let's get started. First I'm gonna show you the things that I bought from H&M. Okay, so first thing I got is this black spaghetti top. Crop top, not a spaghetti top, but it's a black spaghetti crop top. And I wanted to get this one from for so long because बहुत ज़्यादा style करने में ये काम आ जाता है. So I can pair it up with shirts, I can pair it up with I can wear it just as it is, plus I can wear shirts, jackets, and अभी मेरे दिमाग में कुछ आ नहीं रहा है, तो let's just forget it. Okay, so in short, I love it, and that's it. The second thing is, guys, I am obsessed with brown color these days. I don't know what is it, but I am just obsessed. So I got this brown oversized shirt, cotton shirt from H&M, and it's super comfortable, super light, super beautiful. The color is light brown, not dark brown but light brown, but I love it, like nudish brown kind of a color, but I like it and I love it. And yeah, then the next thing I got is this shirt, that is this very beautiful powder blue color, and I love this color. It's not cotton, I guess it's linen plus cotton, I don't know, but I love it. This one is oversized as well, and yeah, I absolutely love it. I love the color, I love the fabric, I just love it. I love shirts, you know, I am obsessed with shirts. So yeah, so I guess we are done with H&M here. Now we're gonna move on to the Zara haul. So the first thing I bought from Zara is this nude top. The fit and everything is great. I got it on discount and I got it for, guess what? I got it for $350 only, guys. I am a huge fan of crop tops and I have a lot of crop tops and it's never enough, you know, guys. So I bought this one and I love it. I love the color. I can style it in so many ways because it's a very neutral color, so it goes with everything. And yeah, love it. So moving on, the next thing I got is this pink crop top. How cute is this? Tell me, how cute is this? So I love this pink crop top. It's baby pink color, not dark, not light. It's a very nice pink color and I love it. Okay, the fabric is great. And next top is I got from Zara is this one. Look at this beauty. Isn't it cute? There's this one thing, it's pretty deep neck for me, so I don't know, but I'll wear it. I'll manage. It's a very pretty orange color. Fabric is very thick and soft and nice and comfortable. That's it. So that's it for the Zara haul. Now I am gonna show you my favorite things, favorite clothes that I bought from Urbanic. First top is this white crop top. Okay, so I don't know, but I just like the print and I like because it's white and red and it fits well, and the fabric is good, not cheap, amazing and beautiful, and I like it. You can, like, I like it for summers and daily wears and everything. So yeah. Okay, so this top, the next top that I'm going to show you, I have seen it on my Pinterest, on my Instagram explore pages, everywhere. Like, I have seen it everywhere, and I don't know what the hype is all about, but I just like the color and I'm obsessed with this color, so that's why I ordered it. And that is this top, brown color top. I love brown color these days. I am obsessed with it, so that's why I ordered it. The fabric is beautiful, good, comfy, soft. I don't know how to explain it to you, but it's nice. The fabric is nice, not cheap at all, and the fit is really good. I like it, and it's a normal t-shirt, like it's a normal crop t-shirt, so I don't know what else to say, but I just love the color of it, so I can't wear it. I can't wait to wear it and click pictures. Okay, so the next is this button-up top. Okay, so I've seen this one as well on so many people. I've seen so many people wear it, but the only complaint I have is it's a little bit loose. Like, I just wanted it to fit a little bit better, but the fit is not what I expected. I can style it differently, like as a shirt or shrug, and I can wear it as it is. I like it. Like, I'm just a little bit disappointed with the size, but it's okay, I'll manage. Okay, so next thing I got is this top, spaghetti top. It's brown and cream colored, and I am disappointed with this one as well, because these brown things, like the fabric they've used here is a little bit cheaper and shinier. It's not a good fabric, and I don't like the material of it, but it's okay. Like, I can still wear it. It's not that bad, but it's not what I expected. So yeah. So the next top I got is this blue marble print crop top, and it looks like a scarf top, but yeah, I love the fabric, I love the fit. I thought ये मुझे lose होगा, but it's not, and it fits perfectly, and I just love it. Absolutely love it. I love the color also, like beautiful color. Okay, so the next top I'm gonna show you is my favorite top, and you're not ready for it. Okay, I've seen this one on Pinterest as well and on Instagram, and as soon as I saw it I was like, this is beautiful and I want it, but I didn't know कि available होगा इंडिया में कहीं पे या नहीं. Then I saw it on Urbanic and I was like, dude, we have to buy this top. So I bought it, and it fits beautifully and it looks beautiful, and I love it. I'm obsessed with it. Ta-da! Guys, I am obsessed with this top. The fabric, it's a sheer fabric. I absolutely love it. I absolutely love the color. I absolutely love the fit. I absolutely love how it looks on me. So I am obsessed with this top, guys. I'm obsessed. You have no idea how obsessed I am with this top. Now I'm going to show you the last piece of this haul video, and this one is also like my favorite. I was very skeptical about this one because I was not sure कि ये जो ऐसा दिख रहा है वैसा ही लगेगा या फिर इसका मटेरियल वगैरह कुछ खराब निकला, तो I don't know. I was not sure. कि मेरे पे कैसा लगेगा, और ये थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट स्टाइल है बिकॉज, बट इट लुक्स ब्यूटिफुल. आर यू रेडी? So this is the top. It's a corset top, black color, and I absolutely love it. Like I was not sure कि ये मुझे fit होगा कि नहीं, क्योंकि मतलब अर्बैनिक का मुझे थोड़ा सा लग रहा था कि because I'm extra small, तो extra small में बहुत कई बार प्रॉब्लम होती है नॉर्मल ब्रांड से खरीदते ना, तब तो फिटिंग का इशू होता है. दिस इज़ अ कॉर्सेट टॉप, सो इसका अगर फिट ख़राब होता थोड़ा भी तो फिर ये मतलब आई कुड नॉट, लाइक आई वुड नॉट बी एबल टू वेयर इट. बट द फिट इज़ ब्यूटिफुल and I love how it looks on me. I love it. I cannot wait to style it. So yeah, okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it, and I'll mention everything in the description box. And yeah, please suggest me some good video ideas also, because I'm running out of ideas. Okay, help me. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be really happy if you subscribe, because we are so close to 10k, and I will be so happy if 10k हो जाता है जल्दी से. So please जल्दी से 10k कर दो. And yeah, I'll see you next week. Bye. Love you.